Hi everyone, I'm Jolie, your nanny and family matchmaker with Creating Connections. It is Real Wednesday, so let's get real. Okay, PSA, nannies, if you're looking for a position, please have a resume. Please put it in Word or PDF so everyone can open it and review it. Please make sure it includes each family that you worked for in chronological order. Reverse chronological order is ideal. That lets us know your position that you had last, and then the one before that, etc. Please make sure to include, doesn't have to be the family's name, but something that differentiates that position from the other, including the dates that you worked, how old the children were when you started the role, and specific duties that were unique to that family. That gives us an overview that we can glance at, look at your experience, and know if you could be a fit for the position we are trying to fill. PSA